Hey guys, what's up YouTube? Welcome to Tech Follower, and today I am doing unboxing of this Fire TV stick. So this is not the 4K version of the Fire Stick, it's just a regular Amazon Fire Stick, but second generation. It supports the Alexa voice remote, comes with the two AAA batteries, power adapter, USB cable and HDMI cable extender. You just need a high-speed internet with the Wi-Fi, HD TV with the HDMI input. This one is basically you can use it as a seeing a content on a TV. You can watch your favorite movies from the Netflix, Curve, CTV, Prime Video and more. So it supports the thousands of applications from the Amazon store. So this is one of the pretty cool device, that's why I bought. It just cost like very less. Currently it's running on the Black Friday. It just cost like $24. That's why I bought it. It's as you can see, it maximum resolution support is the 1080p. It's having the support of the Dolby audio quad core processor. As you can see, there are so many apps support. So let's do an unboxing of this box and see what comes inside the box. So as you can see what comes inside the box, it's having some documentation here. It also comes with the keyboard. This is an HDMI extender. Comes with the 2AA battery from Amazon. It also has the remote to operate this device. It's a power adapter, and this is the device itself. So let's remove from the package. So as you can see, the size is normal. It's not that difficult to fit in your TV. So this is the content inside the box that comes with this. I am also going to connect this to my TV and show you how it works